Are you tired of juggling multiple side hustles and still struggling to make ends meet? If you've been searching for a way to earn a steady income without the overhead and hassle, I've got great news for you. Selling digital products is the perfect solution. The beauty of digital products is that there's minimal overhead, allowing you to create, produce, and sell them repeatedly without you putting in much effort. In the digital world, opportunities to make money online are endless, and today I'm going to show you how to tap into this lucrative money making market. One fantastic way to tap into this market is by creating digital products. These are items that you create once. When someone makes a purchase, the product is automatically downloaded or sent via email, fulfilling the order effortlessly, and I believe it's something you'll find incredibly valuable. So, today I want to share with you 8 digital product ideas that can help you earn at least $300 a day and potentially scale to a 6-figure business. These ideas are versatile and suitable for anyone, regardless of your brand or business type. So, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what digital products are, but you'll also recognize the importance of knowing your target audience. So, creating a product is one thing, but knowing who wants to buy it is crucial. So, if you don't understand your audience, it will be challenging to sell your digital products effectively. And I think it's something that you really want to know about. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend, and welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things money. So, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. Now then, let's dive into these 8 digital product ideas that you can create no matter what business type or skill level or experience you have. So, number one on our list is workbooks. So, workbooks are an excellent alternative to online courses, especially for educators. So, if you have knowledge or a process to share, you can create a workbook that guides people from point A to C. This is simple and effective because your digital product can be downloaded and used immediately. So, for those who are struggling to find the perfect digital product idea, I've got you covered. Just download my free guide on 54 lucrative digital product ideas and be inspired. This comprehensive list explores a wide range of digital products across varieties of categories. So, you're guaranteed to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. This guide will be so valuable to you because firstly, it will save you time and effort by skipping the brainstorming phase, and you can jump straight into actionable ideas and steps. Secondly, you'll get a variety of inspiration so you can discover a diverse range of digital products from ebooks and courses to templates and software. Thirdly, it'll help you identify your niche so you can find an idea that taps into your expertise and your passions. Plus, there's hidden potential. So, while this guide is currently free, the information in it is valuable enough to develop into a premium source, even more in depth insight and strategies. So, technically, it's a digital product and it's going to help you discover what type of digital product you want to create or should create. And I'll make sure to include the link in the description below. For instance, I have another free template guide for you to download on how to write an ebook. This guide is a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions for each section. If I were to sell it, the users get an email with access to the document, which they can copy and modify as needed. Simplicity in delivery, like using Google Docs, can actually enhance user experience by providing easy access and customization. Again, I'll put a link in the description below for you to download your free guide. Okay, on to number 3, which is digital art. For artists and graphic designers, creating downloadable digital art is a fantastic option. This can include screensavers or phones or computers, printable art for home decor, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Digital art is such a great way to showcase your creativity and at the same time offering a product that people can use in various ways. By leveraging these ideas, you can start earning money through digital products and potentially grow a substantial business. The key to success is to understand your audience and tailor your products to meet their needs. Whether you're an educator, a writer, an artist, there's a digital product idea here that can work for you. Number 4 is Canva Templates. Canva Templates are a fantastic option for digital products, especially if you're into graphic design. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly platform offering both free and affordable premium options. It's accessible to everyone, making it a great tool for creating templates that people will love. Some examples of Canva templates you could create include social media templates like Instagram stories templates, YouTube thumbnails, or media kits. So, for those of you who may not know, media kits are documents that influencers and content creators send to brands for potential partnership and sponsorship. So, by offering templates for these, you make it easy for others to quickly produce professional looking materials. Canva templates can significantly streamline processes for users, making them highly marketable. Think about what your ideal customers' needs are and create templates that will make their life so much easier. Additionally, you can also consider creating templates for other software like Photoshop or Illustrator, depending on what your audience prefers. Number 5 is PDF downloads. PDF downloads are another versatile digital product. While guides and workbooks are typically in PDF format, here we're focusing on one-page PDFs or simple documents that will make life easier for the user. For example, if you run a YouTube channel about, for example, a van life, you could create a PDF checklist of safety measures for van people. This checklist could be printed and used daily because it provides for them practicality and aesthetic value. Checklists, packing lists, moving lists, or question guides for realtors are all great examples. These documents are not about tech in-depth concepts, but can greatly assist people in everyday tasks. Why not consider what your audience might need and simplify their lives and create a PDF download that meets that? Number 6 is digital planners. Digital planners are essentially paper planners designed for use on tablets or iPads. They can be used in various industries and don't have to be limited to calendars. For example, a fitness influencer could create a digital meal planner, while a productivity coach could develop daily productivity planners. These planners should be designed for digital use, making them a convenient tool for users. Creating digital planners tailored to your audience specific needs can be a highly profitable venture. They offer modern, efficient alternative to traditional paper planners and can be customized for any niche. Number 7, Lightroom Presets. If you're a photographer or have a strong social media presence and you have a unique photo editing style, then Lightroom Presets can be a lucrative digital product. Lightroom and Adobe product are widely used for photo editing and now has a mobile app version. Creating and selling your own presets allows others to achieve the same feel and look in their photos. This is especially useful for influencers or photographers who are frequently asked about their editing techniques. Lightroom presets are easy to create and sell, making them an excellent digital product. Number 8, system templates. System templates are another popular digital product. These can be templates for project management tools like ClickUp or Trello, or even for Excel, Google Sheets, or Notion. These templates help users organize and manage projects more effectively. For example, Trello is a project management tool that uses Kanban system to help users keep track of tasks. Creating templates for Trello or similar systems can be very valuable to those looking to streamline their workflows. For clarity, I hope these ideas inspire you to start creating your first digital product. I'd love to hear which one you're excited to try first. So please share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.